Thank you, guys. Come on. Fine tune something that's possible. No, just leave it alone. Just sometimes, right? I mean, they're going to carry. I was at a show. This is about maybe 70 years old. 250 cars. And you know what they try to do? They try to make it a reserved spot for 250 cars. You know how messed up that day was?
Oh, that's screwed up.
Yeah. Seriously.
It's all right.
Well, they shut down Monterey Highway in Gilroy. But even though it was just...
The girl talks to Nancy.
They were raiding the big guys, and nobody drove their cars to leave the house. So he had a Ford Fiesta. He drove it on the shoreline.
Ryan should be on that block, huh? Those are the ROP guys, you know that? All those guys over there. Oh, he's not? I thought he was.
His wife's birthday.
Oh.
Man, they probably fill out the whole, that's how they're spacing it out, right?
Yeah. Where's all the exotic cars? Just that one, huh?
I'm surprised they don't silence that.
I didn't expect to get all this stuff. So you spend 50 for the mission, and they give you a coupon to spend with it. But I just bought the T-shirt, $20. Imagine all the exotic cars didn't show up, huh? Just that one.
That's embarrassing.
Yeah, or maybe they're late.
This looks like original paint.
This is that Brian's car.
Is that original paint?
I don't know. It could be. There was original color there.
I haven't been in town much.
How was Reno?
That was good.
I have no idea.
There's something that's on that.
All was smart, the race was won. That's how I'm quoting them in, putting all the money.
Uncle Frankie and Uncle Ricky used to have one of those Shelbys.
Original?
When they back in a long time ago, yeah.
Coffee.
You need coffee? Okay. Let me just go through the show first. See who's here. You can't go that way. other car. This one. 54. I don't know who this is.
Okay. Here? Hey, go ahead.
All right. Good. This is I don't the 55. I don't know who that is.
Sounds lifted too. There's all the imports up here.
Yeah.
Despacito no quiere raíz, ya sabrás, ¿no?
Tengo vestido que una espesitura, le pedo, ya salió la luna, ahorita me aliviano, siempre me pelea por loco, pero me cumplo tus antojos, porque traigo lavada de fresa y coco, de fresa y de coco, lavada de fresa y de coco, de fresa y de coco, lavada de fresa y de coco, de fresa y de coco, lavada de fresa y de coco, de fresa y de coco, lavada de fresa y de coco, siempre me pelea por loco, y yo atravesando, que soy el artista para seguir el coto, la parte de
The V8 and the 240.
Thank you.
Uh-oh.